In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Being familiar with how to exit a meeting smoothly is essential, whether you're working from home or in the office, as it helps you transition from one task to another effectively without any hiccups. So, let's get started with leaving a meeting on Microsoft Teams, covering both Windows and Mac. First, if you're in a Teams meeting on your desktop, it's crucial to know where to look. When you're actively participating in a meeting, your screen might be busy with video feeds, chat notifications, or shared documents. However, your primary focus should be the top toolbar. This area houses all the essential controls for managing your meeting experience. Now, you're looking for the red leave button, recognizable by a phone icon with an arrow. Once you spot that button, you're ready for the next step. Clicking this button effectively begins the process of leaving the meeting. The design choice here is intentional, as red is universally used to indicate action that stops or exits an event, ensuring clarity even if you're in a hurry or distracted. After clicking this button, you'll be prompted with an option to confirm your choice. Simply choose Leave to Exit. This extra step ensures that you don't accidentally disconnect from the conversation, which is helpful if you're multitasking or if your cursor slips mid-click. An important reminder here is to always double check that you've left the meeting after hitting leave. It might sound trivial, but ensuring you fully exited prevents any accidental eavesdropping or awkward moments where you think you're off the call, but you're not. With the quick confirmation, you can be confident that your audio and video connections are cut off, allowing you to move on to your next task without issue. And that's all there is to it. This simple process ensures you can exit your Microsoft Teams meetings efficiently. It's pretty straightforward once you know where everything is on the interface. I recommend practicing this a few times during less critical meetings or test calls, so you become comfortable with it. It can be quite beneficial to build this muscle memory, especially if you frequently switch between various calls and tasks throughout your day. Thanks for watching this guide on how to leave a meeting in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your virtual meeting experiences. Until next time,